What's up, guys? Thank you so much for showing up to this video. Really quick, if you haven't downloaded the macronutrient ebook, check it out. I'll put the link down below. It's free. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching or Facebook group coaching, those links are down below as well. Now let's get into this video. What's going on, guys? Like I promised, I'd show you what I eat to turn into a Saiyan on a budget. None of this stuff is particularly expensive. So let's start with the protein and fat side, my favorite side. Okay, so here, most important, although it's a supplement, it's kind of cheap. It's 6 pounds of protein, right? 6 pounds, 27 grams per serving, and I only got it for 30 bucks at Costco. Now, I don't know if you can be that lucky, but, I mean, a protein supplement will definitely help. Got my egg whites. These are about 5 grams of protein per serving. Take my word for it. Oh, I'll actually show you. 5 grams of protein per serving. 18 servings per carton, and it was about 3 bucks. Then I got my whole eggs. You can't forget about the whole eggs because the egg yolks are actually pretty good for us if, eaten in moderation. And they actually help with the digestion of the egg whites. So what I normally do is mix the egg whites with the whole egg. So I'll probably do like 2 or 3 eggs with probably like 2 or 3 servings of this. And I'm on my way to a great protein day. Fat-free cheese, guys. Now this stuff here is a lifesaver. Check it out. 0 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein. Like, this is amazing. Only bad part about it is the cheese has a really hard time melting. So if that's a problem, I wouldn't do that. Next, you'll see why we have this, but for now, it's 2 times protein cream cheese. The macros in this aren't the best, guys. It's 3.5 fat, which is okay, and 4 grams of protein. I don't even use 2 tablespoons. I only use like a half. I only use 1 tablespoon, so it's pretty much like a half serving. But anyway, that's that. Then we go to my Genio turkey sausage. These are really great with those eggs. Like I have my breakfast. My breakfast is usually super high in protein. But anyway, 6 grams of fat, not too bad. 0 carbs, of course, and 11 grams of protein. Awesome. And then we go to the ground turkey. Now this, guys, this is a lifesaver because one, it's not super dry. It's easy to make, and you can, there's so many brands of turkey. I don't always get Genio, but since there's so many brands, usually one of the brands is going to be on sale. And this is 93.7. So, like, if you're doing a keto diet, you can even get, like, 75-25 and save you some money. But if you're doing a normal diet, this is a must. Turkey. I love turkey. It's only 8 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of saturated fat, 0 carbs, 21 grams of protein. Boom. And then we have my second one, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, back in the day, I just used to stick with the chicken breast, but chicken breast dried out really quickly. So chicken thighs, they're a little bit juicier, but it comes at a cost, right? It comes at a cost. Like, there's more fat in chicken thighs. There's 4.5 grams, which is not bad at all, but there's 22 grams per serving as well. So, it's not bad. And guys, these are my main protein and fat sources that I use to transform myself into a Super Saiyan. Right now, I'm probably at like a Z fighter level. I'm like a step above a Krillin right now. But anyway, well, moving on to the carbs. As you can see, my oatmeal here, this is by far my favorite carb because, one, it has a decent amount of protein. It's not the highest quality of protein, but it gets the job done sometimes. It has 3 grams of fat. It has some good fats for us, the polyunsaturated, monounsaturated. And it has 27 grams of carbs with 4 grams of fiber, guys. Like that's huge because we need that fiber for our digestion. And it helps me stay full. Now, if you're someone who's trying to, burn some fat to get that 6-pack, you need to, figure out a way to keep your hunger at bay, and bam, these oats will do it. I usually eat them at breakfast, lunch, and dinner sometimes if I'm feeling freaky. But anyway, next on our list are these seasoned Brussels sprouts. funny thing is about these little steamables, I actually, sometimes I'll get broccoli. I was just feeling Brussels sprouts. So anyway, that's what we got here. Great macros. I'm not going to go through all the macros, guys, because I'm sure you guys don't care too much. Potatoes. Now, people always give me crap about the potatoes, but, every minute I look on Instagram, they're the same people eating french fries from McDonald's. Guys, potatoes are not bad for you. Sweet potatoes aren't bad for you. The only thing different about this and a sweet potato is its glycemic index, and sweet potatoes last in your system a little bit longer. But look at this, guys. It's only 26 carbs per one potato. Get out of here, guys. Like these are great. You boil them. That'll probably be the best way to make them. Boil them. You can microwave them. You can bake them. Easy stuff. You go to rice. I got my rice sides. I usually buy a lot of these. They're easy to make. Boom, boom. Bagels. My next set of carbs. These are also pretty easy to make. 42 grams of carb per bagel, guys. Per bagel, 42 grams of carbs. Amazing. With 2 grams of fiber. Then we go to my next group of foods, which I need to increase. But these are my low-calorie snack foods to help me stay on my diet. So we got the light whipping topping. I usually eat these with my strawberries, which I don't have any of right now. But look at that. 1 gram of fat. 2 grams of carbs. Boom. 2 tablespoons. Got my Bang energy drink. 0 calories, for those late nights. And then I got my Zevia. It's alright, guys. It's not bad. It's like a sparkling water soda mix. 0 calories as well. Naturally sweetened by the stevia leaf. And I don't think I showed y'all this yogurt, but this is also something I drink often. Pretty macro friendly as well. 5 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, and 6 grams of protein. And alright, guys, this is what I eat to become a Super Saiyan. Right? At least a ninja, like at the very least. A sage, maybe. But anyway, that's all I eat, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.